Hi yogis, welcome to this class. Celebrating International Meditation Day, I'm here to give you this roughly 15-minute yoga practice of meditation where we are gonna dedicate it to ourselves or to a loved one, or if you want to dedicate it to Mother Earth, you can as well. After all, we are all sons of this planet, and we usually take advantage of it, and we are not grateful enough, or we might not respect it enough. We could always give some love through meditation, some healing. So I would like to invite you to sit comfortably. If you're not comfortable sitting in this position, please grab a chair and sit with your legs and feet touching the ground and straight back. And I'm gonna guide you through all the steps. And in the middle of the meditation, I'm gonna ask you to send the intention to either heal, send love, anything you want to change in your life or someone's life for the better, always. That will be the moment where you can actually do it. And I hope you enjoy it. So let's close our eyes. And we will observe our breathing for a second. Relaxing the body so we can ease into this meditation. I want you to visualize now a green sphere in your heart chakra. And as we visualize this sphere, we can observe that it gets brighter, more intense. I want you to feel the energy surrounding your shoulders, your chest, in the room you're in. I want you to elevate your attention to your throat chakra. Visualize in the middle of your throat a blue sphere. Observe how this blue sphere is getting brighter as we observe it. Feel the energy surrounding your throat and neck in the room you're in. Elevate now your attention to the middle of your head. Between your ears, in the center of your head, visualize a purple indigo sphere and how it gets more intense as we observe it. Visualize a beam of light, purple light, going out of this sphere through your third eye, between your eyebrows, and expanding into the sky, crossing the atmosphere into the galaxy. This is our intuition center, and we can connect to our intuition by visualizing this connection, this beam of light. Elevate your attention to your crown chakra above your head. Visualize a wide sphere. This is our portal where we receive the universal life force energy and everything we manifest for our lives. I want you to now focus on sending the intention of that, what you want to desire, that thing, that change in your life or someone else's life that you think he might need help with. Remember to always send something positive. If you send it for somebody else, know that everybody has free will and we cannot change that. We can send intentions of healing, love, finding peace, finding a good job. We will be helping that person with our own intention. And if you want to send love, healing intentions to Mother Earth, that is also a great thing to do. So I want you to send this intention in a positive manner, affirmative. For example, if you want to send healing, you would say, I am strong, healthy, full of energy. If you want love in your life, you may say, I have the perfect partner, we're happy, we enjoy our company. You can visualize how you have fun with that person. All the things you want to do, all the things that make you happy, now is the time to send that signal. And once we send the signal, we want to receive it by feeling as if it's already manifested. How would you feel knowing that you already have that? Feel it now. By feeling it, we are attracting it. And the more we do it, the faster we'll be manifested in our lives. The more practice we have, we will also be able to tap into that potential, into that feeling anytime during the day. And after doing that, it's very important not to contradict yourself, not to doubt this process. We need to have faith that it will happen, and it will. It will happen at the right time, at the right place. I know we want things faster, we want things now. But everything needs time to adjust. Otherwise, life would be a chaos. The universe is working together, turning the wheels so that you can receive what you want, but still have a balance in the rest of everybody's lives. And don't doubt it. Don't judge it, because then you're cutting this process. Me being a Reiki therapist, I'm used to working with energy. and I see how things unfold, always at the right time, at the right place for me, even though I wanted it to happen faster. So just relax. Take a step back and enjoy more life. We put our hands now together. We raise them on the top of our forehead, thanking our guides, loved ones up there. Put them in front of your face, thanking our masters, teachers here on earth, and in our heart, thanking the practice of yoga. We bow. Wrap our palms together, returning the energy to our body, to our face, crown, throat, heart, solar plexus, sacrum, root, legs, and arms. Namaste. Thank you for joining me. I hope you liked it and have a good day or good night.